In this video, we're going to solve the equation x squared plus 3x equals 54. We'll walk through the steps to solve this quadratic equation by using factoring. For this problem, we can use the reverse FOIL method to factor this quadratic equation. First, we need to move all terms to the same side of the equation. To do that here, subtract 54 from both sides. When you do so, you get x squared plus 3x minus 54 equals 0. Now we can use reverse FOIL to factor the quadratic equation. First, we have to look at the sign on the last term, which is 54. Since it's negative, we're going to have one positive sign and one negative sign in our placeholder parentheses, x plus a and x minus b. Now, we need to list all of the factors of 54 in order to find the pair that adds together to equal positive 3. Let's go step by step. 1 plus negative 54 equals negative 53. Negative 1 plus 54 equals 53. 2 plus negative 27 equals negative 25. Negative 2 plus 27 equals 25. 3 plus negative 18 equals negative 15. Negative 3 plus 18 equals 15. 6 plus negative 9 equals negative 3. Negative 6 plus 9 equals 3. Let's split that into two answers. So our factors are 6 and 9. 6 will go in the negative spot and 9 in the positive. So the two solutions are x minus 6 and x plus 9. Lastly, we need to set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. So our two solutions are positive 6 and negative 9. Remember that when possible, the quickest way to find the solutions to a quadratic equation is by factoring it into two sets of parentheses. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.